फिर भी चुप चुप बैठा होगा तो नो प्रॉब्लम, एनीवे विल कंटिन्यू. ओके, सो राइट, no problem. Even if you didn't try, you can try today and you can ask next week, or you can always make. I'm going ahead. So put heading modulus function. Today we'll solve inequalities. 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 Using inequalities using modulus function. Everyone remembers modulus function?
Yes, sir. Absolute value.
So anyway, we'll start from basics today. Okay? Right. So first and foremost, what is the definition? एटलीस्ट 2-3 बार बोलोगे क्लास में, फिर भी नो प्रॉब्लम. Definition of mod x. The function f of x equal to mod x is defined as mod x is equal to, याद है किसी को?
Sir, plus x equals to comma minus x minus comma minus x.
You can put equal to sign anywhere. There's no harm. ठीक है. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? Sometimes बच्चे लोग थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. सर mod x हमेशा पॉजिटिव है ना? रिजू 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 आके,
हाँ सर.
ये mod x तो पॉजिटिव चीज है, तो यहाँ माइनस एक्स कैसे लिख दिया? हो सकता है ऐसा?
सर माइनस एक्स भी पॉजिटिव होगा.
क्यों?
सर क्योंकि इसका रूल ही है वैसा.
mod x पॉजिटिव है, बट माइनस एक्स तो नेगेटिव लग रहा है ना, माइनस साइन है.
हाँ,
तो फिर mod x नेगेटिव कैसे होगा?
mod x पॉजिटिव होगा.
वही, लेकिन यहाँ तो नेगेटिव माइनस एक्स दिखा रहा है.
Sir, it is minus bracket. If it is negative, so minus bracket, that negative number will be positive.
The x will be negative. When x is negative, then that value is minus x is positive.
देखो रिजू कुछ बोल रहे ये लोग, आपको क्या लगता है? रिजू,
हाँ सर.
वो बच्चे लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं? सी mod of +5 कितना?
5.
mod of -5?
5.
हाँ, बट ये लिखने का तरीका क्या? ये एक नेगेटिव नंबर है ना, सो मॉड जब अंदर चीज पॉजिटिव है सीधा x लिख सकते हैं, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं, ठीक है. बट अंदर का चीज जब नेगेटिव है, माइनस ऑफ नेगेटिव चीज लिखते हैं. समझ रहे ना?
मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज देयर.
हाँ रिजू, समझ रहे हैं ना?
हाँ सर.
मतलब यहाँ मैं पूछा यहाँ नेगेटिव साइन क्यों है? क्योंकि ये खुद नेगेटिव है. नेगेटिव ऑफ नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा ना, ठीक है ना?
हाँ सर.
तो ये फिर +5 हो जाएगा. अल्टीमेटली मॉड तो पॉजिटिव वैल्यू है, जैसे ये पॉन बोल रहे थे एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू देते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई mod x is defined like this. ठीक है? ओके,
Yes.
right. So this is the definition of mod x. Right. So next we'll quickly visit some properties. What are the different properties? First one, if mod x is equal to a, तो ये इक्वेशन टाइप है. mod x equal to a, x is a variable, a is some constant. This implies x equal to plus or minus a if a is greater than 0, and no solution. No solution if a is less than 0. Okay. Solve. I'm writing solve here.
Why you have written no solution if a is less than 0?
I'll tell you in 2 minutes. Okay. So tell me what are the answers for these questions. First answer क्या होगा? Raise your hand. Anyone wants to answer? Raise hand. हाँ, Riju. Yes, बोले Riju.
Sir, +7 -7.
Very good.
+-7.
बस. Second.
Sir, 0. 0.
हाँ ठीक है, आपका हो गया. अच्छा, एक ही है. Good. So हर बार दो solution होने का जरूरत नहीं. When it will have only one solution, when mod x is equal to 0. So you can note here. Here we have two solutions, but in this case we have only one solution. So only in such case we have one solution. Okay, next one, Anushrita. Yes, Anushrita.
So when x is 4 and -6.
Good. See, I'll just show students how to do this. This means x plus 1 is equal to plus minus 5. This is how you are supposed to do it. Very important. In language, how do we express this? We say x plus 1 is equal to 5 or x plus 1 is equal to
-5.
minus. See, that is fine, but this is the important thing. See, in sets, what does OR mean?
Union.
Union, very good. Or x equal to -6. Therefore, the solution set x will be a discrete set containing two elements, -6 and 4. This is the solution set. Okay. Okay. Next one. Swapnavit.
So next one, no solution, because we know that mod returns to the absolute value. So x can be ±5 also. The negative, it may be negative or positive. The answer will always come positive.
हाँ ठीक है ठीक. Good. See, now Anushrita, आपका doubt, you asked this doubt, sir, why is it no solution? You tell me, is it possible that mod x be negative? Because by definition mod is always greater than or equal to 0. That is a property of mod. Or you can write down over here. By definition, mod x or mod of f of x is greater than or equal to 0 by definition. Whatever you put inside mod, that is always non-negative. So Anushrita, is it possible that this can be something negative?
No, sir.
No. That's why no solution. Okay. Now, last question. Who can answer last question? Raise your hand.
Sir, can I tell?
No.
Can
Can I take?
Wait. Shubhankar, can you answer last one?
Sir, x is 0. Sorry, sir. No. Sorry. Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Oh, 1 minute. Time and tide waits for none. ठीक है, but I'm not tired or
Sir,
tired.
-10.
Okay. So Shubhankar is telling minus. How, Shubhankar?
Sir, because oh sir, sorry, no, it has no value because modulus never returns negative.
Negative value. Very good. Therefore, answer is 5. Okay. I just told na, mod of anything is non-negative. So how can you have something negative here? Okay. You're understanding, na? Shubhankar?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Take care. Huh? You came little late, so I hope you are not lagging. Okay. So we'll proceed to the next topic. These are the first two properties. I'll give more properties. Okay. I'm going ahead. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. So these are the first two properties.
Yes, sir.
Then you can write down the third property. The third property
Can
is,
you please show the second property again?
second property is it is always greater than or equal to 0. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, maybe I'll give one small question which is little tougher. Little tougher, but you should be able to do. Solve mod x square minus 4 equal to 3. Try to solve this question. Let me know if anyone is able to solve this. Yes, Riju.
Sir, +1.
Okay, only
Chemical.
only one solution, Riju.
Sir, can I say?
So can I say?
No, raise your hand if anyone wants to answer. Raise. Yes, Devanjan.
So 1 and root 7.
1 and root 7. Okay, anyone has a different answer? Vishal?
Sir, only root 7.
Only root 7. Okay. Anyone else? Okay.
Sir, both 1 and root 7 are possible in this case. Because
No,
this
no.
is a mod.
1 and root 7 is the wrong answer. BS is also wrong.
Plus minus root 7.
Plus
Yeah,
minus
Srijita.
root 7 cannot be there.
Okay, I think no one got the right answer.
Sir, can I
Sir,
try
actually,
once?
sir, can you repeat the question? Actually, I had an internet problem.
This is the question.
Sir, can I answer?
Yeah, Swapnavit, go on.
Sir,
Sir,
plus
1 comma
minus
7.
1 and root 7. Sir, plus minus 1 and root 7.
No. Okay, leave it. I'm doing this question. See how to solve this type of question. As I said, this means x square minus 4 is equal to plus 3, or x square minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Okay, so that is the definition. Now you have to use the connective or. So from here we can tell x square is equal to plus 7 or x square is equal to 1. Now this itself has two solutions. Now this implies x is equal to plus minus root 7 or x equal to plus minus 1. So what will the total number of solutions be? Therefore the solution set of x will be minus 1 plus 1 minus root 7 plus root 7.
So I told minus root 7 plus root 7.
You didn't tell this. That's why everyone's
Yes, sir.
answer was incomplete. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now we'll move to the next property. See, next property is very important for understanding. Third property, I think. No?
Yes, sir.
Mod x equal to a gives as solution, gives us solution 2 points. 2 points which are equidistant. Sorry, which are equidistant from origin, which are equidistant from 0. Equidistant from 0. Do you guys understand what I mean from 0? Suppose example I say mod x equal to 10. What are the solutions of this? X equal to plus minus 10.
Plus minus.
When we draw the number line, you have minus 10 over here, 0 over here, and plus 10 over here. This property is telling ये दोनों equidistant है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sounds very simple, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but then the resultant property is very important. Next property is telling, fourth property. Similarly, mod of x minus alpha equal to a gives solution of 2 points. Okay, give solution as 2 points, which are anyone knows?
Sir, which are equidistant from A.
Equidistant from where?
A.
No.
Sorry, not from A. A itself is plus A or minus A, from alpha.
Example तो अभी already दिया. For example, let us take this one, which Anushrita answered this one. Third one, mod of x plus 1 equal to 5. What are the solutions of this? We already solved this. Mod of x plus 1 equal to 5. This implies x equal to
Plus 5. No, sorry. 4 and minus 6.
Yeah. So what does this mean? On the number line, you have to go to the point x equal to minus 1. So if you go to x equal to minus 1, then this property is telling the other 2 points, minus 6 plus 4. These only equidistant. You're able to see the distance from here to here is 5 units. The distance from here to here is also 5 units.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This property is very, very important. I'm going step by step. I hope everything is clear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thus, from here on, we can say that this is a we can say that mod of x minus alpha is, you can say it is a sort of representation. It is a sort of representation of distance. Representation of distance from x equal to alpha. ठीक है? Done? Clear?
यहाँ x का वैल्यू कैसे निकलता है?
x का वैल्यू मतलब क्वेश्चन में देते हैं. हाँ जी, अल्फा कुछ कांस्टेंट है. क्वेश्चन में दिया होगा. ठीक है?
तो वह जो x माइनस 1 होगा, तो यहाँ जो लिखा था ना अब माइनस 6 वह 1 होगा क्या?
ये प्लस 1 होगा.
हाँ, नहीं मैं जो क्वेश्चन में जो दो दिया था जो x माइनस 1 मॉड x माइनस 1.
हाँ, तो 1 होगा. ठीक है?
अपोजिट साइन होगा.
हाँ, सी ऑपोजिट साइन मतलब देखो, एक्चुअली ये x प्लस 1 को हम ऐसे लिखते हैं ना, x माइनस और माइनस, और x को हम x माइनस 0 लिख सकते हैं. तो हमेशा वो नोटेशन है. ठीक है? बेसिकली ये रूट है इसका. मान लीजिए कुछ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का रूट 2, तो हम बोलते हैं ना x माइनस 2 इज अ फैक्टर, बोलते हैं ना. वैसी चीज है ये. ठीक है? ठीक है, राइट. सो नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी. Property 5. Mod x greater than or equal to a implies x belongs to minus infinity to minus a union. Why are we writing union? Because I told it, because this is all or. Okay? Or a to infinity. And sixth property, mod x less than or equal to a implies x belongs to minus a to. Sometimes this is also written as minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to. Both are the same thing. You can write in either ways, in this way or this way. Okay. Okay, so now let me explain this. इसका explanation क्या है? मान लीजिए, for example, mod x greater than 5. See, mod x greater than 5 इसका मतलब क्या? और थोड़ा simple example लेते हैं. Mod x greater than 2. इसका meaning क्या? Distance from 0 ना, आप लोग समझ रहे हैं ना? अभी हम लोग discuss किया. Let us say number line is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. The -1, -2, -3, -4, so on and so forth. Number line goes on like this. Now you guys can think about it. When is the distance greater than 2? The moment you start from here. यहाँ से सब values solution का एक part होगा, and from here to here, this should also be part of solution. These are the points which have a distance greater than 2 ना. आप लोग समझ रहे हैं?
Yes, sir.
So this part becomes -infinity to -2 open interval, because we should not include 2, and this becomes 2 open interval to infinity. Now you should not have doubt, sir, यहाँ close interval है, यहाँ open interval है. Why? Because here equality is not there and here equality is there. यहाँ equal to sign है इसीलिए closed interval, यहाँ equal to sign नहीं है, that's why open interval. ठीक है? Fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. And similarly, this will take as an example. One more example. Let us say mod x is less than 3 or equal to 3. What does that mean? That means you have to consider all the points whose distance are lesser than or equal to 3. है कि नहीं? So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay. So which are points are 3 is definitely equal to, because equal to sign is, so starting from here and starting from here all the points. So basically can I say this is the region? This is the region of solution. बोल सकते हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
किसी को कुछ डाउट है क्या?
लास्ट
doubt?
पार्ट बोल दीजिए. हाँ, लास्ट पार्ट
क्या डाउट है लास्ट पार्ट में?
जो आप लिखा था ना, जो ग्राफ में जो -3 to
हाँ, सी देखो मैं बोल रहे थे ये mod x हम कुछ डिस्टेंस बोल रहे थे ना.
हाँ,
तो इसका मतलब क्या? इसका मतलब है 0 से डिस्टेंस कितना है? 3 का बराबर हो सकते हैं या 3 से छोटा हो सकते हैं, है ना?
हाँ.
सो इस नंबर लाइन में कौन सा पॉइंट है जिनका डिस्टेंस 0 से 3 है या 3 से कम है? 3 मतलब ये 2 पॉइंट है, और 3 से कम क्या पॉइंट है? ये बीच का पॉइंट सब कम डिस्टेंस है ना 3 से.
कम से
बस तो यही सब सॉल्यूशन सेट यही सब होगा ना. ठीक है?
ठीक है सर.
ठीक. Honestly, तो you have some doubt?
Sir, did you ask anything?
हाँ? Okay, fine.
আমরা করোনা আক্রান্ত মানুষের থেকে দূরত্ব বজায় রাখতে বলছি, যিনি সংক্রমিত হয়ে সুস্থ হয়ে গেছেন তাকে তো আমরা অস্পৃশ্য করে রাখতে বলছি। আপনি কিন্তু ভুল সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছেন।
आप क्या बोल रहे हैं क्या?
नहीं कुछ नहीं बोला. बाहर कुछ एडवर्टाइजमेंट चल रहा है. कोरोना वायरस का कुछ एडवर्टाइजमेंट चल रहा है, हम कुछ नहीं बोले. सबका तबीयत ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Yes. On your marks, get set, go.
We need to find the value of x.
Yeah. See, sub question वैसे है. Inequalities मतलब क्या? You have to solve ना. You have to solve and see which values of x satisfy. That is the entire concept of inequalities. Now you have to find what values of x satisfy the inequality.
Okay.
Yeah. And that is why we learned sets first, because you express it in terms of sets. Is it a discrete set? Is it a infinite continuous set? And how do you join the sets using intersection or union? What? Okay. Having said that, एक छोटा चीज है, कभी-कभी हाँ ठीक है. See, this can also be told as x is greater than -3 and x is less than 3. इसका solution ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं. You guys are understanding? X is greater than -a and x is less than. Okay. So that is the difference. And whenever you have and, you should have intersection. So the solution of this is -a to 0. Sorry, -a to infinite. Intersection minus infinite to a. So intersection means common part. Common part will be -a to. That is also one way of interpreting this. So here we use or and here we use and. Okay. Others, which answer are you telling? 5 minus 1?
The first.
First, see how you got only two values. You should get interval, na? This is not equal to sign. Na? This is inequality. So apart from these two values, are there no other values which will satisfy?
The 5 to 1, all the values can be satisfied. I mean, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No. Tell me proper answer in terms of interval. Okay. Anyone? First answer. Raise your hand if you're done. First one.
Minus 1, 0, 1 and 2.
Minus. Can you repeat? Minus. It's okay. Your voice is good only.
Minus 1, 0, 1 and 2.
Acha. You're telling four values, na? -1, 0, 1 and something like this, na?
Sir, it is coming minus infinity comma minus 5 union 5 comma infinity.
Very good. Minus infinity comma
minus 5.
No, not good. Very bad.
Can I say
Sir, minus infinity comma minus 1 union minus 5 to infinity.
Yeah, very good. Union 5 to bus. Okay. Okay. Maybe I'll solve this. किसी को नहीं आया. See, ये करने का तरीका greater than मतलब मैं यहाँ बोला ना और है. You should go ahead with this solution. That means x minus 2 is greater than 3 or x minus 2 is lesser than minus 3. Distance 3 से बड़ा होना चाहिए. इसका मतलब ये x is greater than 5 और x is lesser than minus. बस ठीक है. This is a 5 to infinite and this is minus infinite to minus. ठीक है. Second one.
Sir, x belongs to close interval -7, -7.
-7 to 7. Third one.
Sir,
Raise your hand if anyone is confident. Riju,
Yes, sir.
বলুন কিছু বলুন।
sir, can I tell?
No, Riju। কিছু আছে রিজুন?
नहीं sir।
ठीक है, fine, go ahead on।
Sir, -infinity, comma.
No, wrong. Anyone else?
1 minute.
No, sir. I did a mistake here. Sorry.
Yeah.
I'll
Sir,
just.
-2 to infinity.
I'm sorry, Vishal, you're wrong।
Sir, root 10, comma infinity.
Arey, no more guesses। only
So
one।
1 minute.
1 minute more, please.
If someone knows the procedure, then fine।
क्लोज इंटरवल -2 कॉमा ये -10/3 क्लोज इंटरवल।
हाँ, देवांजन थोड़ा उल्टा पुल्टा बोल दिया, लेकिन सी आप क्या बोले, -2 to -10/3 देवांजन। हाँ। अरे यार 99% राइट। अब आप एक चीज बोलो, दोनों में छोटा कौन है बड़ा कौन है?
-10/3 to infinity.
या आंसर है -10/3।
उल्टा होगा।
हाँ ठीक है, बस वेरी गुड। कैसे क्या बताए?
तो सर 3x + 8 <= 2 धरा और -2 धरा। इससे जो इंडिविजुअल का फॉर्मूला है ना, जो 8 को उधर राइट साइड ले जाएगा तो -6 होगा। देन
ऐसे लिख सकते हैं एक्चुअली। ये भी एक तरीका करने, मैं दिखा रहा हूँ, ठीक है। Now you can add 8 on all sides। See, in inequalities adding is allowed। याद है ना सबको? एडिशन तो अलाउड है ना, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन। ओके, सॉरी। And you can divide by a positive number। 3 तो पॉजिटिव नंबर है, तो 3 से डिवाइड करने से ठीक है। ओके, किसी को डाउट है?
सर आप और एक बार रिपीट कर सकते हैं?
Which part? ये तो प्रॉपर्टी है ना, दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी ना। See, mod x less than or equal to a मतलब -a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a, ठीक है। After that I use properties of inequalities। ये प्रॉपर्टी याद है ना, we can add or subtract। If x is less than y, that implies x minus 1000 is lesser than y minus 1000। You can subtract and add ना, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन में, है कि नहीं?
Yes sir।
So I just subtracted 8 everywhere, and after that, see, 3 is a positive number, so you can always divide by a positive number, by pi. There is no problem in dividing with positive number, na?
Yes sir।
So I divided with 3, बस, ठीक है? Or if you want, we can do in the other way। What is the other way? That means 3x plus 8 is कैसे बोलो, this is greater than minus 2 and this is the alternate way, but this is easier actually. Or 3x plus 8 distance from this point is lesser than 2, ऐसे कर सकते हैं. From here you can tell 3x is greater than minus 10 and 3x is lesser than minus 6. From here you can tell x is greater than minus 10 by 3 and x is lesser than minus 2. See, from here itself you can either plot on number line, मतलब देख सकते हैं इन दोनों region minus 10 by 3 और and ना minus 2 each होना चाहिए. It should be between this and this. So you can either write the answer directly या दूसरा तरीका क्या है, you can tell because and is there, ये solution set क्या होगा शुभांकर, इसको how do you write in terms of interval? X is greater than minus 10 by 3. In terms of interval, how to write this? X is greater than minus 10 by 3. What is the interval of X? X is greater than 2. How do you write in terms of interval? If X is greater than 2, in terms of interval, what do we say? X belongs to? Shubhankar?
Sir, yeah, yes, sir.
If X is greater than 2, then we say X belongs to? Interval.
So 1 comma infinity.
One, how one can
minus.
If X is greater than
minus infinity.
No, X
minus infinity comma minus 2.
My God, what happened? X is greater than
2. Sir, open interval 2 comma infinity.
Open interval.
Oh yes, sir.
2 comma 3.
Open interval.
But wait, Shubhankar.
Infinity.
Okay, Shubhankar. Shubhankar, what is your answer? Shubhankar?
Yes, sir.
What will this be? See, X is greater than 2. That means you want all the values which are greater than 2, na? Who all are greater than 2? What is that interval? Huh?
So 3 comma means infinity. 3 to infinity.
Yeah. See, I am telling you're making a mistake which even 12th class students make. I've just seen yesterday also few. See, it's okay because till school na we generally deal with natural numbers. If I tell X is greater than 2, generally in school we think that means X is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the general notion we have till elementary school, and somehow you are still stuck there. Okay, but now we are not in school anymore. We are getting out of the zone of natural numbers. When you deal with real numbers, na, if you say X is greater than 2, then you are actually talking about 2.00000000001. This also counts. So instead of writing this stuff, we say you're talking about open interval 2. We are not including 2, but just after 2, whatever is there. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So how to write the interval here? If X is greater than 2, then we say X belongs to?
Sir, open interval 2 comma infinity. Close bracket.
Close bracket or open bracket?
Sorry, sir, which bracket? Rectangular bracket, I mean.
Rectangle. When do we use rectangle bracket?
Sir, means
यहाँ तो open bracket होगा, infinity
नहीं,
तो open bracket.
But wait, when do we use close bracket? When do we use open bracket? Shubhankar?
Sir, we use close bracket when we do not have to include that number, but just after that.
Yeah. See, can we include the number infinity? Is it possible to include a number which is not defined?
No, sir. No, sir.
Huh, Shubhankar?
No, sir.
Yeah. See, we don't know what is the infinity. Infinity is just it is a mathematical symbol to say it is a great quantity, but we do not know its actual value. Therefore, ये closely रहेगा. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Now come back here, Shubhankar. I'm sorry. I hope you're not feeling bad. I'm grilling you or something, huh? You're okay, na? Yeah. So
Yes,
tell me
sir.
what is the answer here. If x is greater than or equal to 10 by 3, how should I write that?
Sir, x belongs to open bracket minus 10 by 3, comma infinity.
Okay. Now you tell me, why did you say open bracket here? Should we include 10 by 3 or not?
Sir, no, we should not. Sir, include 10 by 3.
So which bracket should you use?
Sir, close bracket.
Close. ठीक है. और यहाँ?
Sir,
X is-
sir, close bracket minus 2, comma infinity.
X is
Open.
less than minus 2.
Oh yes, it is minus 2, comma minus.
Minus 2 comma
Minus infinity.
minus 2 comma minus infinity.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा. See.
सर इन्फिनिटी तो आगे होगा ना?
Wait. Minus 2 comma minus infinity. Does something look little suspicious, Shubhankar? Who is bigger? Who is smaller?
The minus infinity is smaller.
So who should come first?
The minus infinity.
छोटे वालों को पहले पहले जाना चाहिए. Minus infinity to minus 2. Close or open?
Sir, open. I mean, we should include minus 2.
So that's why it is open, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what do you mean by closed?
Rectangular bracket means we should not include that number.
Acha. So close 2 to 3 means we are not including 2 and 3, na? Huh, Shubhankar?
Hello, sir.
No, Shubhankar. Is it closed or open?
Closed.
Closed. Okay, I think we have made all possible mistakes. No more mistakes remaining. Huh?
No.
Okay, and symbol is union or intersection? What does and correspond to? Intersection or union?
Sir, and is intersection.
Intersection. What is the common part between both of these? Minus 10 by 3 to minus 2. ठीक है, ऐसे भी एक Okay, anyway, last question कोई किया क्या? Mod of x square minus 8 greater than 2.
Minus infinity, comma, minus 10.
Sir, r minus
Close bracket, union.
एक सेकंड, देवांजन बोले आपका आंसर क्या? बोलो.
Minus infinity, comma,
minus 10.
नहीं, root 10, root.
हाँ, minus root 10.
Close bracket.
Union.
Close bracket, root 10.
Comma infinity.
Comma infinity.
Sir, we can write this as r minus.
Shubhankar, any more doubts?
No, sir.
Okay.
So can you once again tell that open bracket and close bracket?
Okay, sure. See, closed 1 to 2. Closed 1 to open 2. Open 1 to close 2. And close 1 to 2. What is the difference between all of these? Here, you're talking about all the numbers between 1 and 2, including 1 and 2. So you're talking about 1, you're talking about 1.1, you're talking about 1.5. See, this list is not exhaustive. I'm not writing all the numbers, but these are few solutions. You can see 1 and 2 are also included. Here you'll have 1, you'll have 1.1, so on, but you'll not have 2. 2 is not included, okay? Open means 2 is not included.
Yes, sir.
Similarly here, 1 is not included, but 2 is included. And here neither 1 nor 2 are included. But you have everything in between. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So these brackets we use when you're writing the solution in a discrete way. You understand the word discrete, na? Discrete elements. But since we are writing a continuous interval, we should use either close or open bracket. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Right. So anyone with the answer? Mod of x square minus 8 greater than equal.
Sir, root 6 to root 10.
Can I see?
No, wait. Vishal, can you repeat your entire answer? Tell me the entire answer. Vishal, what is the entire answer? Can you say once more?
Sir, close interval root 6, comma, root 10 close interval.
Root
So
6
can
comma
I
root 6.
answer?
Minus root 6 to plus root 6.
So can I answer?
Okay, yeah, go ahead, Anushita.
So closed bracket root 10 comma infinity.
No, wrong.
So, it will the answer be in a discrete way or in a set?
Discrete is also set. Discrete set or a continuous set. Answer is a continuous set. It is an interval, na? All intervals are continuous. Okay, chalo, I'll do the question.
So plus root 10 minus root 10 plus root 10 comma minus root 10 and plus root 6 minus root 6.
No, wrong. So all of you are coming close to the answer, but now no one is, yet you're far from the answer. You are very close, yet you're very far. मतलब जो आंसर का numbers है, all of you told the numbers included in the answer, but no one actually told the exact answer.
Can you wait for 1 minute more?
I'll start writing, you keep solving. So mod x square minus 8 is greater than 2. This implies, as I told, that means x square minus 8 should either be greater than 2 or x square minus 8 should be lesser than minus 2. Okay? That means x square should be greater than 10 or x square should be lesser than 6. This means x square minus 10 greater than 0 or x square minus 6 is lesser than 0. This means this from here all of you know how to do it. X plus 10 x root 10 greater than 0 or x minus root 6 into x plus root 6. So or means we have to use a connective infinite. What is the solution of this? What is the solution of this? देवांजन आप बस ये करके छोड़ दिया. हाँ, अब बस इतना पार्ट किया था. ये होगा माइनस इन्फिनिट टू माइनस रूट यूनियन क्लोज्ड हो गया यहाँ. And this part will be
minus root 6 comma root 6.
So this is the entire answer. Hence, solution. What is the solution set? Solution set is minus infinity to minus root 10 union minus root 6 to root 6 union root 10 to okay. Okay. Try all these questions. If anyone gets any answer, raise your hand.
सर फर्स्ट 3 हो गया।
हाँ बोलो देवांजन।
फर्स्ट तो 5 होगा ना, जो मॉड का वैल्यू माइनस नहीं होगा।
नहीं, मॉड एक्स ग्रेटर देन -5 कैसे होगा? आप कुछ भी रखो, 2 रखो, 2 तो सेटिस्फाई कर रहे हैं ना, 3 रखो सेटिस्फाई कर रहे हैं, फिर एम्प्टी सेट कैसे होगा आंसर? ये सब वैल्यू सेटिस्फाई तो कर रहे हैं।
Sir, open interval -10, 10 close interval. No, sorry, open interval.
ओपन इंटरवल -10 to 10। हाँ हाँ विशाल।
Yes.
अच्छा, you put 11. Is mod 11 greater than -10?
Can I tell the answer?
Wait, Vishal, is mod 11 greater than 10 -10?
Yes, sir.
Then yes, who's that?
So the answer is closed open interval 10 comma infinity
Wrong.
Sir, is the answer -infinity comma infinity?
Yeah, very good. Who said it? On, na?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Answer will be R. क्यों? See, property number 2. What is property number 2? This. ये property क्या बोल रहे हैं? Mod x हमेशा 0 से बड़ा है ना? It is always greater than 0. For any value of x, it is greater than 0. So then, if it is greater than 0, then definitely it is greater than -10 also. है ना? That's why the answer is all real numbers, or in other words, -infinity. ठीक है? Good.
Yes, sir.
Second one.
So there is no answer.
There is no answer. Anyway, raise your hands. Raise hands.
It's a 5.
Good. You should not tell there is no answer. Okay, good. See, why is it 5? Because mod is always greater than or equal to 0. But here is telling when is it lesser than or equal to a negative number. Never possible. No? Therefore, it is 5. Good. Raise your hand. If anyone wants to answer, raise hands.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, I have a silly question.
No, there is no silly question. Only questions. Go ahead.
Sir, what is that rectangular bracket called? Open or closed?
Where?
Sir, the rectangular bracket.
Here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is closed actually. This is closed bracket. Okay?
Yes, sir.
This is open bracket. And this is a closed bracket. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Good boy. Thank you for asking. Okay, next. Yeah, Vishal, go ahead.
Sir, open interval 7.2 comma infinity open interval.
Open interval 7/2 comma infinity. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Acha. You put -1. Put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. Is it satisfying? Vishal?
No, sir.
0 is not satisfying.
Sir, it
No,
will
it's
satisfy.
satisfying.
Sir,
It will satisfy.
sir, can I tell?
Wait. Raise your hand.
Can I?
Raise hand. Anyone who wants to answer, raise hand. Swapnavit can answer. Swapnavit Das. Not there. बोलिए. हाँ, देवांजन बोले.
minus infinity comma 7/2 open interval union open interval 7/2 infinity.
To infinity. Wow, very good, brilliant. Minus infinity to 7/2 union 7/2 to very good. Or in other words, see, ये तो mod is always positive ना, but only one place it is not positive when it is equal to 0. Or you can always also say r minus 7/2. Very good. ठीक है ना? For all values, mod is anyway greater than or equal to 0. But here we don't want to know when it is equal to 0. So in all other places it is greater than 0 anyway. Good. Next, fourth one.
The greater than 3.
No, wrong. Anyway, raise your hand. Right, Pawan.
Sir, doing sir. Sir, just give me 2 minutes.
Right.
Sir, minus 4 comma minus 3 union 3 comma infinity. All open bracket. Sir?
Yes.
Sir, I told the answer.
Wrong.
Oh.
Anyone? Others, you want to try? Okay, see, I'll solve this question logically. It is not difficult actually. Achha, those who are not having mic, anyone wants to answer, you can send in chat box. If anyone got the answer. And see, this question is actually very similar to the above questions. This is mod of some function. When is it greater than 0? But we already know mod of anything is always greater than 0. Then why hesitate? It should be r.
R.
But then for some values, the function, we have to see what is the domain of this function. What is the domain of this function? Domain. Remember domain? Domain means what are the permissible values of x. Can you put any value of x in this expression? Or is there some value which you should not put? Is there some value of x which you should not put in this?
3 or
So
minus
-4.
-4. Very good. Because denominator is x plus 4. That means x does not equal to -4. So we have to remove -4. Okay. Is the answer only this much? Is it always positive in all other cases?
Sir,
हाँ.
-3 और 3 पुट करेगा तो 0
0
इक्वल
हो
हो
जाएगा.
जाएगा ना.
Very good. Therefore, we have to
-3.
remove -3 and +3. So this will be the answer.
Sir, I also gave this answer itself.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Very good. This is not part of domain.
Sir, then the answer will be open bracket -4 comma -3 union 3 comma infinity.
But you are leaving everything between -3 and 3, na?
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay, last one, fifth one.
हेलो सर,
हाँ.
फोर्थ का आंसर क्या होगा? तो नॉट पार्ट ऑफ डोमेन बोला तो.
हाँ, तो सॉल्यूशन नहीं हो सकता ना फिर.
हाँ, तो r माइनस
-4, -3 और 3 सबको निकालना है. ठीक है? ठीक है?
Sir, can I tell the next one?
Yes, please.
The r minus 2 comma 4 comma -4.
R minus 2 comma 4 comma -4. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Wrong.
Can I tell the answer?
Can I tell?
Wait. Hands raise कीजिए, मेरे को easy हो जाए. आई मतलब समझ नहीं आते ना वॉइस. यस, देवानंद.
r माइनस 2 होगा.
बस.
हाँ बस.
वेरी गुड. बिकॉज हियर 0 भी हो सकते हैं. क्लोज इंटरवल ना, तो 0 होने से कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ठीक है? वेरी गुड. तो द आंसर इज r minus 2. Okay. So far everything is clear. Okay, can we go ahead? Or should we go ahead, or is it too much?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
actually I have tuition.
Okay. Others feel we should go ahead, or is it too much?
Yeah.
You can go ahead.
Okay, what I'll give one last question. So those who want to leave, you can leave. I'm giving one last question, but you can just copy the question and go. Okay, I'm giving one question.
Yes, sir.
So the question is, solve mod x by x minus 1 greater than 3. This is first question. Second question is, solve mod of mod x minus 1 minus 5 less than 2. Okay. All of you take these two questions as homework. All of you can take these two questions as homework. Okay, I'll stop the class here and I'll take doubts. Anyone wants to ask any doubts, you can ask any doubts or any questions from this topic, previous topic.
So can you explain the fifth question once more?
Which one?
So fifth one, x square minus 16.
Yeah. See, fifth question is mod of something is greater than or equal to 0, which is always true. This is always true, no? So then
Yes, sir.
you should tell answer is R, but no. Why? Because in the denominator you have x minus 2. So 2 is not part of the domain. Na? If it is R, then R includes 2 also. But you cannot put the value of 2 in this function because at 2 the function does not exist. Therefore, we're removing 2. Okay? The difference is in the above question, it is not greater than or equal to. Other question is it is only greater than 0. So therefore, we are not supposed to include plus minus 3. But in this question, it is greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, we have the liberty to include plus 4 and minus 4 also. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. Hey, anyone else has any questions? This class, last class, any class? Maths class or any other subject? Preferably maths. Any doubt?
सर मेरा डाउट नहीं है, मैं एक लास्ट क्लास का जो होमवर्क था ना,
हाँ
वहाँ में एक मैथ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ। आंसर ठीक है क्या मुझे बता दीजिए। प्रॉब्लम था ना जो 3x minus 1 by 4x plus 1 less than equal to 0, वो आंसर में का ओपन क्लोज इंटरवल सी का क्वेश्चन,
सी का ना?
हाँ ठीक है
सी का 3x minus 1 by 4x plus 1.
हाँ मेरा आंसर ठीक
करेक्ट है ना आपका आंसर?
हाँ मेरा आंसर करेक्ट।
ठीक है, फाइन। और कोई डाउट है किसी का? नो? Right, very good. So all of you try these 2 questions at home. Let's see. These are good questions and good but not impossible. Very easy only. If you use all the basics I have taught in this class, last class, this class especially, you can solve these questions. Use the basic things, Wavy curve method, everything I taught, you will be able to solve these 2 questions. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir, should we send the answers through Gmail?
Yeah. See, anytime you want to communicate anything personally to me, mail. Use my mail because I don't use WhatsApp. You can always mail me. Any question, any doubt, anything you want to tell, mail me. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So thank you very much. I'm ending my class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so